Good morning. Look at our view. Had coffee this morning with a bunch of wildebeests. There are some giraffes off in the distance. I'm going to show you how close we are to the lobby. This is an awesome little area. Maybe if you've got a standard view, you can just sit out here and rock away. And here we are. We're on our way to the laundry room. A very interesting feature of the laundry room here at Kadani Village, it's absolutely free. It was a little confusing at first, but yeah, there's no money. It only costs if you want to buy some detergent. And they have a vending machine for that. Doesn't look like you can tap your magic band, but it will take a credit card. So it does say that this is reserved exclusively for Disney Vacation Club guests. I guess this is just part of our dues. Go to this. That's fantastic. Now we've used the laundry in the Polynesian as well, and there is this really cool feature. If you go to laundryview.com/DisneyWorld, you can actually see what the status is of the washers and dryers, if they're in use or not, or you can monitor it your own and know when it's done. Also close to the laundry room is the community hall. Hey! Look at this, we got giant sized checkers. Play some pool. Foosball. Oh, we got some game controllers here too. Got a PlayStation, Xbox, no, Sony. Yeah, just Sony PlayStations. Very cool. I think I have group activities here, things for kids. They even have some balconies out here. And all the deluxe DVC and all the deluxe resorts have arcades. It's pretty cool. We've got some air hockey, motorcycle racing. Oh, massage chair. It's a classic Guitar Hero. Ooh, Star Wars Battle Pod. That looks really cool. No quarters. You just get a card and you charge it up. And that's what you use. And here are the prices. The only restaurant here is Savannah, and it is at these elevators, and there's a sign that tells you the hours of when you can go there. But I do love all of this African art that's scattered all throughout the hotel. This area is known as the library and has a fireplace. It's very relaxing, nice and quiet. There are nightly movies. You can see we're going to see there's Hercules tonight and Cars tomorrow. And here they have a listing of all the different daily adventures. Animal tracking, animal enrichment. Really cool. Lots of stuff. Animal viewing with night vision? Oh, that sounds awesome. So there's a feature I'm going to try out right now. And it's called, well, unlock your door. So say if you forget your magic band, but you've got your phone and it's linked to your My Disney experience, you're supposed to be able to unlock your door. Let's see if it works. First you've got to agree. Hold your phone against the door. And wow, it works. Oh my goodness. And look who started coming towards me. Okay, this is just so cool. I mean, come on. This is amazing. Wow.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Magic Kingdom monorail station.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Ta-da! It seems like it's quite a busy day here today at Magic Kingdom. About to use our first Fast Pass of the day for Peter Pan, which was the last thing we rode yesterday. It was nice to go through the full queue at Peter Pan because it is a really amazing queue. Is this the biggest bottleneck in all of Walt Disney World? A little narrow spot between Peter Pan and It's a Small World. But Small World is a 60-minute wait. Yeah, it's a busy day. Watch, she's gonna do magic. Wow.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
90 minutes. 90 for It's a Small World.
Right around this corner.
Holy moly. Last time we were in Magic Kingdom, we came to Columbia Harbor House for the first time, and we liked it so much, we're back again. I wanted to order the trio, which is shrimp, chicken, and fish, but I guess they're out of shrimp. So I got the fish and chicken. Shireen's trying something new, which is the chicken pot pie that actually looks amazing. Michelle's having a tuna sandwich with homemade fries. Michelle and I each got the classic Disney mac and cheese. Something I've been dreaming of on my low carb dieting days. I'm gonna do a little hack. Take the barbecue sauce. Now we're adding in hot sauce. Now I got spicy barbecue sauce. That's better. Spicy. It's so orange. All the carbs. You liked your chicken pot pie? You didn't eat your vegetables. You're not getting any treats. Another very nice meal from Columbia Harbor House.
You have to be at least 5 years old.
I missed you all afternoon.
want to live there. Wow, I've never ridden in the front before. Ah. After all these years, there's still things we haven't done. This is one we're crossing off the list. Monsters Inc. ground floor. I've already sent in 3 or 4 jokes. Wonder if any of mine can make it onto the show.
And he's wearing my kitchen curtains, and he's gonna buy churros for everyone!
That giant canister, that's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the laugh floor! And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski!
Kayla says, how do you make a tissue dance? Say how?
Put a little boogie in
A
it.
little boogie in it. I love that joke, that's why I pick it. Everybody, take this time for taking your time in here. You know what else is awesome? These guys are legally recording our entire show. You know what you want to be when you grow up, because I want to talk to you. Let's see what we got going on. We got kids everywhere. It's still illegal. Okay, let's see.
Are you cold? Chilly. So they're still battling for who sits in the front. Well, I'm back at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kadani Village, by myself. The night did not go as planned. We had 3 fast passes today, and our last one was for Space Mountain. And our plan was we're gonna just kind of hit that fast pass, and then we had to go get some groceries, so we're gonna go to Publix. But unfortunately, Michelle lost her cell phone on Space Mountain. So I was a mad dad, but Michelle and Charmaine decided they would wait until the end of the evening, because a cast member told them they will walk the ride after the park closes down, and if they find it, then they can get it. It'll go to the town hall area. So I don't know. Got my fingers crossed. Fortunately, Michelle's data was turned off, so we couldn't even track her phone. It's the way it goes sometimes. Things get a little discombobulated. I'm sure everything will work out. It was an old phone anyways. New phone for someone in the future. Sorry, this video kind of just ended and then popped for me here. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time from the Holy Moly.